Imagine supercharging your metabolism with a simple tweak to your morning coffee. Curious to find out how? Introducing the morning coffee trick, a 100% natural formula that, when combined with your coffee, supports a healthy metabolism and boosts your energy levels. This unique blend, trusted by many, is designed to complement your coffee, helping you feel more energized throughout the day. Simply add this tasteless, instantly dissolvable formula to your morning coffee and let the synergy of nutrition work for you. Experience the positive effects on your metabolism. The morning coffee trick is all natural, vegetarian, non-GMO, and gluten-free. Manufactured in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, each batch is tested to ensure the highest quality and purity. It's flavorless and dissolves instantly into any coffee, no matter how you take it. Start your day with the morning coffee trick and enjoy the benefits of enhanced energy and metabolism. Tap Learn More now and watch the video that shows you step by step how to do it. Get ready to enhance your mornings and overall health. Tap Learn More now and discover how the morning coffee trick can make a difference in your